What if there's no peeing on the grass? Intrigue. Oh no, wait, did she pee on there? I didn't see. Nothing wet there. Pam-through, I just got back from Mountain View with the delightful Pam-through. Dr. Henderson did not think that, didn't see any sort of resorptive lesion or anything like that in its mouth. He has a few spots, but she said they don't actually look that bad. But his temperature is going up a little bit. So we started him on some antibiotics, and I'm going to see how he does. But she didn't see anything that looked alarming or anything like that. So that's good. Hopefully it's just some sort of bug. And I will continue monitoring him to make sure that he does feel better. But it's good that it's not resorptive lesions. That's what I was worried about. okay at taking meds, so he'll be fine. He's not as thrilled about getting his temperature taken, but she said I probably caught it so early that like the symptoms have not even really developed yet. So very hard to diagnose. So hopefully he'll be back to his normal self in the next couple of days. But he definitely has not been his usual pantheroo self. So we shall see. So Pantheroo's okay. His temperature is going up. So it's gone up a bit each day. This is the third day, and he has not been his usual playful, scampy self. So, and he seems to be eating like he's got some sort of mouth pain. So, but she didn't see anything that would be causing him a great deal of pain in his mouth. She said that there were 2 spots that eventually could become problematic, but she said it looked, if I had pointed that out, she wouldn't necessarily have identified that as a reason for him being sick. So she suggested antibiotics and monitoring for a couple of days and see if he gets better, and then if not, we will investigate further. But he's sleeping at the moment, so hopefully he'll be back to normal soon. But it's good news that it's not something like resorptive lesions, which I was a little bit concerned about. But she did not think that is what it was, so that's very good. Oh.